Birds chirping, the sun is coming out, and again we're looking at moringa, and it's the miracle plant. Now this plant, you can trim the branches back to nothing, and within weeks this plant will revive itself and grow again. So it's a rapid growing plant. It's very nutritional and just an all around health food that you'll notice some difference in uh, the energy level that it gives and increases. And I have some more over here. So again, I have several of these trees, and like I said, they grow robustly. I can harvest them all year round in this climate, but normally in the winter they tend to not produce as much, but they are fast growing and just a great source of energy and food. Like I say, you have the powder, you have the dried moringa leaves, and the official name is Moringa oleifera. And now you do want to get it from a good source, because again, some of this stuff, the places that it grow in, uh, you can read online, it's got lead in it because of the amount of toxins in the air, and this plant is pulling that toxin out the air. So if you're getting it from some of these countries where it's just heavy pollution, then again, you're getting toxic food, and it's not going to give you much benefit. Okay, so let's get this. The sun is changing. So again, now you can grow these indoors, and you want to do daylight. Like daylight is measured on a Kelvin scale, like uh, say 5,000 to 65, and it's Kelvin scale. Uh, and if you're growing it indoors, you get your light bulbs and your CFL bulbs, and you can grow this indoors along with your tomatoes, your cucumbers, your carrots, and all these types of things. That this is also good in a salad. Very nutritional. I eat this in my salad every day with a little olive oil, virgin olive oil. Absolutely. Or you can just mix the tea with just a little bit of honey, and it's a fantastic hot or cold. My preference is hot. Uh, it just tastes so much better. You get the full flavor. If you like green tea, you'll love moringa tea. And your body definitely gonna love it, because it's gonna recognize it as food. As you can see, these leaves are sucking up all the sunshine, and then when you can't, anything you heat, microwave, or process, you rob it of all the nutrition. So you would have to do I let these air dry naturally. Takes about a week, and then you would just crush it up, and you can make the tea out of it. Here we have some more moringa, and I have about 100 trees on the property, and they grow very rapidly, as I said, and it's just a great health benefit to your diet. And this is something, if you love your family and your loved ones, this is something you definitely want to share, because it'll be beneficial. Okay, and we got moringa here, and right beside it we have two cypress pines, and I put about 25 of these on the property, and you can see there, that's about almost getting to 5 feet. It started out as a 1-foot plant, and this is the second year. Just a beautiful plant. Now I know everybody recognize what this beauty is here. This is a banana tree, and I have several of those. There is one there, and we have a smaller one there. that's coming up. And then we have another one in the distance there. Bananas. Now this plant here is, I'll say, a little less than a year. This is about 10 months of growth. It started out at that size there. Can't see it for the moringa, but it started out that size there, and now it this one even branched out into two, and we have about 4 banana trees. And here's another cypress pine that grew from that 1-inch pine. Now, something I'm doing this year, we've already gotten one harvest of watermelons, and I've set a second vine down, and so these are watermelons. You can see the yellow flower there, and once the melons come on, I'll bring it back and show it again. And I have one here, and then have a third patch over here that's growing, and we've already put the winter garden down, and I'll show that once that begins progress. And then here's the 4th patch of watermelons. Today is October the 1st, and I know we have all of this month and all of November to get these out the way. Normally it can take anywhere from 40 to 60 days for watermelons. I want to show the pineapples that are growing. Got several pineapple trees here, plants, and they are coming up quite well. They've already produced for the year, and so I'm looking for another breakout session and have them produce again. If protect them this winter, and they'll produce again next year. We got the mullein, the respiratory plant. We got that out of the barrels and into the ground, and they have thrived. And that's mullein for respiratory issues. Again, it makes no medical claim. It's just a good juice that you can drink